Next, we will be talking about the 5-number summaries and box plots. So, summary statistics and easy-to-draw graphs can be used to quickly summarize large quantities of data. So, in this section, we will show you how to find or I will show you how 5-number summaries and box plots can be developed to identify several characteristics of a data set. So we have two tools to accomplish that. We have the 5-number summaries and again the box plot. So in a 5-number summary, of course, 5 numbers are used to summarize the data. We have the smallest value, the first quartile, the median, the third quartile, and the largest value. So to illustrate the 5-number summary, so this one, diba? Your 5-number summary is katura magpili ra ka all those katong mga datas na gihatag is imorang pangitaon ang lowest value down to the largest value, which I believe we've already identified in our previous na katong part 1 sa chapter 3, no, katong nagkompita sa tuang quartiles. So mo ni siya, your smallest value is 3,710, first quartile is 3,857.5, and so on and so forth. So again, if you are asked to get the 5-number summary of your data, so kabaw na ka nga, basta ingon kay 5-number summary, what is asked is the lowest value, quartiles 1, 2, and 3, and the largest value. So that is your 5-number summary. It's as simple as that. Next is your box plot. So your box plot is a graphical summary of data that is based on a 5-number summary. So a key to the development of a box plot is a computation of the median and the quartiles 1 and 3. So box plots provide another way to identify outliers. So mo ni ang ako ang mention ganiha nga method of detecting outliers. So katong mag-make use ka sa imong quartile. So kanilang is mas makita ninyo siya tungod kay gigraph naman siya using a box plot. So this one, this is kani nga data. So mo ni imong output na box plot. So let's try to make a box plot using Excel. So can mo na siya. Now, how do you make a box plot? So first, so you have your data set right here. Now you need to select your data values from B2 to B13, and then ari ka sa imuhang insert na tab. Then ari ka sa imuhang charts section. So sa imong charts section, kay mo pili ra ka dihag. Wait, where is a statistical? No, that's so sa imong charts section is naa kay chart for the box and whisker. So box and whisker there. So kani imong box and whisker, di ba? Mao na ni siya ang imuhang box plot, as easy as that. So mao na siya. Di ba mo ni siya imong nakitaan andi kani. So mo ni imuhang box plot. So atong ilisan no kay para mas makuha na to. So as you can see here, ang kaning nasa babaw nga area is your So, may siya. Muna siya imuhang highest value. Or not highest value. Kung kadi asa to yung imuhang limits. So, di siya maklaro kayo. So, ito i-zoom. Kita na ba ninyo? Kita na siguro ay. So, the X ano siya? Is ang imuhang near your median. So, makuha na nimo. Let's see. Ano na lang. Muna siya ang pinaka-largest na iya mo. Para mas makita ninyo. Okay. So, let's arrange this first. So that you can okay. So, there. And then, let's compute for the quartile 1. Let's do this. Quartiles 1, 2, and 3. So that you can really see the values in the graph. This is your array. And then okay. Okay, so these are your values, no? So your quartile 1 is at 3857.75. Your quartile 2 is, or your median is at 3905. Then your quartile 3 is at 4025. So as you can see here, if atuan ning i-zoom niya ang graph, or mo na pinaka-zoom, you can see that the quartile 1 is ang value is 3857. So it's between this and this, 38 and 39. So this, kaning pinaka-end sa box, is mo na siya ang imuhang quartile 1. So, as you can see here sa drawing, no, identify man niya, that is your quartile 1. Ang kanidri sa babaw is your quartile 3. And then the line in the middle is your median. So, muna ang imuhang median. And then, of course, your IQR is kaning area sa imuhang box. Now, for the limit, muna dahin to let's try to compute the limits, lower limit, and then the upper limit. So, katong formula na to ganiha. So, your quartile 1, no? Say it again. Quartile 1 minus your 1.5 times your IQR, which is minus 1. So, your lower limit is 3606. Then, for your upper limit, your upper limit is, let's compute for the upper limit, quartile 3 plus 1.5 times your IQR. Since wala ito gi-compute ang IQR, mana atong gi-manual reg minus, no? So, that is, kani siyang gi-minus is mana yung IQR. So, you have a upper limit of 4276. Now, as you can see here, na ay dot diri sa babaw. The dot is mo na siya ang value nga 4325. So, as you can see here, the dot is mo na ang imuhang outlier. So, kana, makita na nimo kung unsa nga areas ang ni go beyond your limits. So, kana siya. That is, or this is how you get the box plot. So, again, atura ka sa insert and then sa charts na area, just look for the box and whisker. So it's not directly found in here because this is a condense. But if you click on this dialog box here, dialog box launcher, you will see all charts, and then you will choose box and whisker. So that is how you add the box plot. So limits are located, not drawn, using the interquartile range. Then data outside these limits are again considered outliers, and then the location of each outlier is shown with the symbol dot. So mo ni siya tong i-compute. Okay. So there you go. That is your 5 number summary and your box plot.